video, we are going to review limits to some questions. Question number 1. Find limit of x3 minus x as x approaches minus 2. By direct substitution method, this limit is the same as minus 2 to the power of 3 minus 2, which is the value of the function at x equals negative 2. Question 2. Find limit of x plus 1 divided by x plus 3 as x approaches 2. By direct substitution method, this limit is 3 over 5. Number 3. Find limit of x2 minus 11x minus 26 divided by x minus 13 as x approaches 13. By direct substitution method, we have 0 over 0. Therefore, direct substitution method is not applicable in this case. We factor the numerator of the given function. To factor x2 minus 11x minus 26, we are looking for two numbers. Their sum is minus 11 and their product is minus 26. They are minus 13 and positive 2. Therefore, the numerator is x minus 13 times x plus 2. The limit would be the same as limit of x plus 2 as x approaches 13, which is 15. Question number 4. Find limit of x3 minus 64 over x2 minus 16 as x approaches 4. As x approaches 4, both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction are approaching 0. Therefore, we have to reduce the fraction. The numerator, x3 minus 64, is x minus 4 times x2 plus 4x plus 16, difference of cubes, and the denominator is x minus 4 times x plus 4. If we reduce the fraction, the limit would be the same as limit of x2 plus 4x plus 16 divided by x plus 4 as x approaches 4, which is 48 divided by 8, that is 6. Number 5, limit of 1 over x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 as x approaches negative 1. Again, by direct substitution method, we have 0 over 0. The limit can be written as limit of x plus 1 divided by x over x plus 1. If we take the common denominator and the numerator of the fraction, and this is equal to limit of 1 over x as x approaches negative 1, which is negative 1. Question number 6. Limit of x plus 3 minus root 2 divided by x minus 1 as x approaches 1. When x approaches 1, the numerator approaches 2 minus root 2. The denominator approaches 0. Therefore, the limit does not exist. Question number 7. Limit of square root of 1 plus root x minus root 3 divided by x minus 4 as x approaches 4. As x approaches 4, both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction are approaching 0. Therefore, to find the limit, we have to simplify the given function. If we rationalize the numerator of the given function by times and divide the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the numerator would be 1 plus x minus root 3, and the denominator is x minus 4 times the conjugate of numerator, which is square root of 1 plus square root of x plus root 3. Denominator is root x minus 2. Root x minus 2 divided by x minus 4 can be simplified as root x plus 2. One way to simplify this is multiplying both the numerator and the denominator of this fraction by the conjugate of the numerator. Therefore, the given limit is the same as limit of 1 over square root of x plus 2 times 1 plus square root of x plus square root of 3 as x approaches 4. This limit equals to 1 over 4 times 2 root 3, which is 1 over 8 root 3. Thanks for watching.